Sige na! Minsan ka lang pumunta sa vlog ko eh. Mayayain ka ba?
Bakit? Kung kailan kilala mo yung mga interviewees mo? First time mo na mag-isa? Fair naman. Perfect.
Hey, sports fans. UP, fighting on this is starting now.
Sige CJ, anytime.
Hey, sports fans. This is CJ Cancino. And today, makakasama natin ang UAAP defending champion ng men's basketball ng UP Fighting on. This is starting now.
Hey, ayaw mo na rin. Bossing. Par. Pit check ba? Pit check. Sikay mo na yun. Sikay mo sa sarili mo. Dito ba? Dito ka lang interview, no? Daddy's home. Daddy's home. Sige na! Minsan ka lang pumunta sa vlog ko eh. Minsan ka na naman. Galing ah. Minsan ka lang pupunta dito, ayaw mo pa. Pumunta yun. Ano? Ikaw lang nakatapat sa'yo. Ang gagawin ko?
Hi guys, good morning. So, day 2, Tuesday. Nandito kami sa Midlands, Tagaytay. Dito kami papalo. Sobrang excited namin kasi ganda ng course and first time namin pareho dito. So yung mga kasama ko ngayon, mga tropa natin sa UST, TJ na naman kasama natin sa golf. Ganda ng pwesto dito kasi kitang-kita mo yung Tagaytay. Kita mo yung Taal, no?
Sakto lang.
Akala mo talaga member. Private kasi tong Midlands. So may yung kaibigan namin, may member dito. Kaya nakasama kami sa ganito. Kaya sa mga may member dyan sa mga gandang private, invite na naman kami. Sa Wakwak, sa Manila Golf, para maranasan naman namin maging mayaman kahit minsan. Pero sobrang solid dito. Ganda ng green. Ibang-iba talaga sa public. No? Public. Yun, abangan nyo kung gaano kadaming palo. Ako dinadamihan ko yung palo ko para sulit. Eh.
Para lang sure. Para sure, ma-sure.
Sana maganda yung palo natin mamaya para hindi naman sayang yung binyahe natin kasi nasa Tagaytay tayo. And hopefully mamaya malamig tapos hindi rin naman.
Eh, pwede ko muna tayo pumalag. Ano sabi mo doon, Papa? Eh, yun pa naman yung mahirap, yung mga unang palong maganda. Bigyan 120. After nun, puta, trash talk agad. Uy! Humble lang! Agula! Bangis ba? Pinilit nyo ba na pinilit ha? Siya yung pinakatlo yung maganda. Mayayain ka pala. Lep na. Paktay. Bad start na. Gago. Gago. Ganda sana, men. Bitin lang. Oo, pre. Lakas mo lang onti, nakita mo yan.
Kaya ko yun, pero hindi ko kayang gawin.
Ayun din. Kakanan yan, Jay. Kakanan yan, par. Kakanan nga yan. Nawala ng hangin bigla. Nung sa'yo wala ng hangin.
Di lang basta-basta ano yan, par, pick up. Mukhang pinaghandaan nung ano natin, commissioner. Oo. Ngayon kasi pick up kami kasama yung mga tao nga dun sa mga gym. So yung mga players dun sa Strive. Madami kasi kami yung mga player dun, mga NCUA, PPBA. Galaro kami ngayong Friday. Tapos yung pinaka-head nung Strive, si Coach Luis, gusto niya maayos, may referee, may stats, may photographer pa nga kadala. So medyo, may ano pa nga, may bib, may sarili kaming kulay. Magiging seryosohan natin yung laro mamaya. Shoutout sa, kung alala nyo to, King Cardinal. Parang wag. Masisira tayo dyan. Masisira tayo dyan.
Took a deal, sign another deal, post up in the hills on the rail, headed for a mill, travel with me still, getting kills, all this pop appeal, got these pop stars try popping in, and they getting pop for real, I ain't tryna build, I was tryna lead a mill, getting to it, before I hopped up off the block, I was still going through it, friends doing pills, and came faster than it should've, I was Buddy Hill, shooting at a pace soon as I pull up, dropping buckets, yeah, like it's nothing. In the kitchen chopping onions, yeah. Tears falling down, underdog is finally overcome.
Hindi naman nakashoot ah.
Alam na. Automatic.
Tears falling down, underdog is finally overcoming, baby, yeah, I'm dropping buckets. Drop some cash for me, don't worry about my past for me. I'm driving with no gasoline, this life I live's a fantasy. Yeah, I do this for my dogs, all my day ones and my family. My life gon' live through them if I end up in any tragedies. I hope y'all understand this shit got bigger cause it had to be. I always knew I had it, but just not at this capacity. I recognize the gravity, closer to the summit, stacking chips and counting nuggets. I've been stunting, baby, cause I'm dropping buckets. Yeah, like it's nothing. Ay, tears falling down, underdog is finally overcoming, cause I'm dropping buckets. Ay, yeah, like it's nothing. Ay, earn my respect and burn a budget. Ay, tears falling down, underdog is finally overcoming, baby, cause I'm dropping buckets. Earn my respect and burn a budget. Tears falling down, underdog is finally overcoming.
Nagreklamo na! Nagreklamo si Coach Chu!
Nice one, nice one. Manalo tayo. Yan ang sa record na champion ng team ni Brian. Coach Luis, when you get back, you be proud of your boy, huh?
Hit the scene and it's all green. On go, we ain't never doing small things. Being fitted for the crown, cause we all kings. If you know you got to shine, let them people know it's time for the show. Built to thrive, ain't just here for the ride. Don't know how I caught this stride, but since they ain't been live, I'm up early, cause I ain't listen to shot when I'm worthy. I've been chasing rings, they only want in the jersey, yeah. Slimmer than after the Benjamin versus unlimited. Blood in this ink, I've been hemorrhaging, take me to imaging. No, they can't match with their energy, that's why I'm finna be taking the game to new levels, just peep how I'm sending it. I put the music up first and competition come last. Repetitions beat them beyond recognition. We are eons ahead, wait till the price catch up. I always knew I'd win, it's how my life set up. Slim don't fold, probably bumping some old in the whip. Game sold from the people much older out here. Keep patience in your calling, we'll reach you, but you probably prolong it if nobody can.
So that's it for the week. Ayun yung mga ginawa ko dahil last week ko na for off-season. Dahil next week, mag-ensayo na ako with Meralco. Kailangan na mag-prepare for PBA and EASL. Sobrang exciting yun kasi syempre lilipad kami ibang bansa. More content, sisikapin namin magkaroon ng content dahil kasama ko si Phantom Highlights. Hindi na masyadong mahirap yung mga gagawin natin. And hopefully, makapag-shoot tayo ng madami. And mas maging consistent sa vlog kasi alam ko maraming nag-aabang. And marami rin tayong isushoot. Yung kotse ko pa nandun. And yung journey ko as PBA player. Papakita namin sa inyo. And yun lang. Thank you guys for watching. See you next vlog.